you're just starting or you've been baking and cooking at home for ages, our Recipe Right nonstick bakeware line has a pan to fit any recipe. Made from sturdy steel with a nonstick coating, you'll get years of use from every pan. Each pan comes with handles so you can easily maneuver them in and out of the oven, and the reinforced nonstick coating keeps food from sticking, so cleanup is easy. And they're dishwasher safe, which means washing them takes little time and effort so you can enjoy cooking at home even more. Made from sturdy steel with a nonstick coating, you'll get years of use from every pan. So grab your favorite recipes or find some new ones. Wilton Recipe Right nonstick bakeware is the perfect set to enjoy every day baking and cooking.
When we created Farberware 120 years ago, life in the kitchen was different. And as each generation changed, we changed with them. Today, the kitchen is where the modern cook stays one step ahead. She's fast and in control, and she provides her family with a great meal, done well and done right. And that's why we designed trusted and affordable cookware that builds on our classic roots and helps the chef in command stay in command of family mealtime. We've been there and will continue to be there for this generation and those to come. Farberware, made for every generation.